Today we are going to be making blueberry pie. Let's start by washing our blueberries. So what we're going to do is we're going to dump them into this colander or whatever. So do it like that. Cold water. And just wash them. Shake them around. Just make sure to get them all washed up. Then we can move on to our next step. Okay, now that our blueberries are washed, now we can mix our ingredients together. So, our cinnamon, cornstarch, and our salt. I'm just gonna mix them together like this until it's fully blended. So just like that. Then we can move on to our next step. Now we're going to put our blueberries into this bowl like this. And then sprinkle this over the top like that. Just like that. Now we're going to put our blueberries into our pie crust. This is the same pie crust from my simple homemade pie crust video. Go watch that if you haven't. Now we're just going to dump these into our pie crust. Should we get them all in there? Spread them out. And then we can move on to our next step. Okay, so I put the top on the pie, and now we're going to go around the edges using our fork like this, all the way around the pie. Just like this. Now we are going to cut a hole for venting in the middle, just like that, then the other way, like that. Just like that. Then we can move on to our next step. Now our next step is putting aluminum foil around the edges so that the edges of our pie crust don't burn. Now you will take this off 5 minutes before your pie's done, because otherwise you won't even have sides that are cooked very well. So just put them around the edge and I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, now we're going to put our pie into our oven for 50 minutes at 425 degrees. Just like that. Then I'll be back to show you the finished product. This is our finished product.